How to share Android stories with family. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to share Android stories with family members. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch Google Play Store on your device and then sign in to the particular account which you want to share your Android stories with your family members. Now tap profile icon at top right corner of the screen. Now on this pop-up menu box, select settings. On the settings section, tap family and next to the family you will see arrow icon. Tap arrow and tap parental controls. Here toggle the button on and here you have to create the content pin. Now you will use this pin to change settings for parental controls. So tap OK button. You have to confirm your selected pin again. Now tap the OK button and your parental controls are on. Now you can easily set a restriction for each type of content. So you can also select family and follow instruction to add family members. This grants them access to apps, games, movies and books you have purchased. For Google One Stories, you can subscribe to a plan and then in the Google One app, you can tap Settings, Manage Family Settings, Manage Family Group to invite family members to share your stories. That is how we share Android stories with family. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.